welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make DIY hair clips, rubber band and hairband like these ones. They're very simple and easy to make. Now let's see the material what we need. So the material what you need are a normal hairband, bobby pins, rubber band, glue. You can use glue stick also for that, and you need hot glue also. If you don't have hot glue, also okay. We need some gem stickers, stones or stones, pair of scissors, any coin for a base to make a circle, and a cardboard sheet. So now let's start. So first take the cardboard sheet. You can take this size. It's okay if it's not equal. Then take a coin and trace it to a base of circle. So you get a perfect circle. You can also use a star shape, heart shape, any shape you like. For example, for normal, I'm taking this circle. Look, it's a perfect circle. And then you can cut it. I made one circle. You can make more circles. How many clips or rubber band on the rubber band or a hairband you need to stick? So I'm going to make 3. So I need to do the same again. You trace the coin. And again cut it. Now I got my 3 circles. Place them here like on the table. Then use a sketch pen and color it. So if the gems do not stick at one place, then the color will still be there. The gem stickers. Like I took pink and white. I'm going to take the pink or white sketch. So I'm taking my dark pink sketch and coloring it. I have colored them. One dark pink, light pink and one with both shades. So I'll take one, use my gem stickers. Okay, thank you. If your gem stickers at the back have glue or gum, you can just stick it. If they don't have, you can just put gum here and stick it. Stickers shining.
Now you need white.
Yeah, now we're gonna do it. It's better when it's colored, the cardboard is colored. If it's brown, it's not gonna look that pretty. Not that shiny and... Now this is my another color of sticker. If you do a star shape, it's going to be a little more easier. With heart and circle, it's a little bit difficult. Can you give me the scissors, please, Theo? My second layer is done. Now the next, look how it's important to color the cardboard, because here we have a little bit gas, but we can't see it when we put it on because we have colored with the same color. Then I'm going to take again the same color.
Only one.
Yeah, only one. Stick in the middle. You can also do the big gem. It's going to look more beautiful. But I took 2 colors. It's going to look pretty. Then the same way, I'm going to do these 2 also. So let's do this. You want to help me?
Yeah.
Here you go. So I made these 2.
And I made this glue together, glue together.
Okay. Now we have this ready. It's okay.
Now take the hot glue. If you do not have the hot glue, just bring glue. So place it like this. And then take your clip, bobby pin, and then stick it to secure it. Put one end at the top and stop. When this is done, the rubber band the same way. She puts the bottle over here like this. And then stick one. Yeah, it's good. Stick like this. It's pretty, right? And the one, you can stick this there, okay? Look any side. Now, stick it in. Yes, correct. Yeah, now
So here's the hairband. Rubber band is lifted, so cute. And the 3 pins. I had made 2 more. I love this. This one.
We made lots.
Yes. You can use the same you can put for the hairband hole, but this 3 is a little bit cuter. You can make more like this and put into your hair. Now I'm going to put these in my hair and show you how they look.
That's the hairband. Wow, looks pretty.
See how beautiful it looks on your hair. It looks so beautiful. I love this. You can also wear it like this, like clips. And in India, you will find stone chains. With those, it will look amazing, beautiful. It will look even better with these stones. I didn't found here, that's why I used normal. But if you find the stone chain, use it. It's going to be amazing. It's going to look very beautiful. I got this idea from Super School. In Super School conducted some Super Mom sessions. In the Super Mom session, first was Jyoti auntie. She has teached her talent. She taught us how to make Jada Billalu with flowers. But I didn't find the correct flowers. But I thought I could make with stones. So this is how I got the idea. Thank you Super School for the lovely session. So this is why I got this lovely idea. Thank you. Everyone must try this. It is so simple and easy. With 10 rupees, you can do it. It's so simple to do it. It's very cute also. I really love that when I put it on my hair, and this is even better sometimes. For parties, you can just put this simply on your hair. Look, it's so pretty then. With less money, you can make something beautiful like this with your home stuff only. Because the cardboard, we get some parcels. With the cardboard from there, we can just cut it. Bobby pins, almost everybody have them. And the stones, only the stones we need to buy. That's it. Everything still we have at home. So thank you. Thanks for watching. If you do it, just send me the pic. And comment below how it is.